First point, if any molecule is symmetrical, if any molecule is symmetrical, if any molecule is symmetrical means, if the molecule is symmetrical means the molecule has an appropriate geometry. If the molecule is symmetrical means molecule having appropriate geometry or proper geometry. Such molecules are known as what? Symmetrical molecules. Around the central atom, only bond pair atoms are present. Which atoms? Bond pair atoms are present. Without any lone pair, such molecules are known as what? Symmetrical molecules. Which molecules? Symmetrical molecules. If a molecule has symmetrical, dipole moment always zero. Dipole moment, that is mu always equals to which one? Dipole moment mu equals to, it always what? Zero. For example for symmetrical molecules is boron beryllium chloride. Beryllium chloride, it is a symmetrical molecule means beryllium is a central atom, here is chlorine, it is also which one? Chlorine. Both are equivalent electronegative. What amount of bond distance increase towards here, the same amount of bond moment increase towards this chlorine. So therefore the resultant dipole moment is what happened? Cancel to each other. It is attracting like this, it is also attracting like this with equal magnitude around beryllium atom. Around which atom? Beryllium atom. So that is the reason why it is a symmetrical molecule. So therefore mu equals to which one? Zero. Okay, so the resultant dipole moment is always here is what? Zero. First one. Second molecule is boron trichloride. Around boron there is no lone pair of electrons. 3 chlorine atoms are arranged equal distances around boron. So that is the reason why it is a symmetrical molecule. This bond moment is equals to this bond moment, then this bond moment is also what happened? Equals to this. So the net resultant dipoles always equals to 0. So therefore it is which one? Mu equals to 0. So that is the reason why these molecules are known as what? Non-polar molecules. Which molecules? Non-polar molecules. Means if dipole moment, if mu equals to 0, such molecules are known as bond polarity is very less. Which is very less? Bond polarity is very less. So that is the reason why such molecules are known as non-polar molecules. Non-polar molecules. For example, one more example for non-polar molecule I am taking, that is carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. This is the third example So around carbon, four chlorines are arranged equidistances. Here is chlorine, so therefore all bond moments are cancelled to each other. All bond moments are cancelled to each other, so therefore, okay na, it has what? Mu equals to 0, so therefore it is a non-polar molecule. Non-polar molecule. Non-polar molecule. The next one is second one is if any molecule is unsymmetrical, means there is no proper geometry. If any molecule is unsymmetrical, it indicates around the central atom contains a lone pair of electrons. So therefore causes repulsions between lone pair of electrons and bond pair of electrons. So that is the reason why bond moment is changed. Which is changed? Bond moment or bond distance is what happened? Changed. When bond distance is changed or when bond moment is changed, what happened? Dipoles are generated. Dipoles are generated or dipoles are attracted towards one direction. So that is the reason why such molecules are shows which one? An appropriate dipole moments. So therefore such molecules are known as polar molecules. Which molecules? Polar molecules. If dipole moment not equals to 0, such molecules are known as unsymmetrical molecules. These molecules are so called polar molecules. Which molecules? Polar molecules or has some bond polarity. When bond polarity increases, which increases? Dipole moment increases. Example is number one is water molecule. H2O molecule. Which molecule? H2O molecule. The central atom is oxygen, like this. Here contains one lone pair of electrons, like this. Here one lone pair of electrons, second lone pair of electrons. Okay, here oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, so the bond movement towards oxygen here is also towards which direction? Oxygen, but lone pair of electrons are what? Opposite direction to same direction. It is same direction, it is also what? Same direction. So therefore the resultant dipole moment is has some value, so that is the reason why this is what? Mu not equals to 0. Mu not equals to 0, so therefore this particular molecule is known as what? Polar molecule. Polar, which molecule? Polar molecule. It has an appropriate dipole moment, that is mu equals to 1.84 dBi. Mu equals to which one? 1.84 dBi. Okay, so therefore if mu equals to 0, symmetrical. If mu not equals to 0, non-symmetrical. Okay, so therefore if geometry, shape and symmetrical, okay, if geometry, shape and unsymmetrical, okay, then symmetrical means if mu equals to 0.